Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool but easy to make firefighter helmet. What we need is foam, of course, not EVA foam but our own Creafoam, which sticks together without using glue. The only thing you need is a heat gun. We do have videos on how to cut foam and about the different gluing techniques, so be sure to watch those first if you haven't done that yet. These are the different pieces we're going to need. You can make them in any color combination you want, but today we're going for the red and black. The patterns, you can download them on our site. We're going to start with this piece. This is the one-size-fits-all version. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a small piece of foam which fits over your head, and we're going to attach this to the other piece. We're going to take this heat gun, position, and that's it. This piece makes sure that your hat stays on your head even if somebody taps on it like this. You can also choose to make this hat for a specific head size. So then you take this piece of foam and you measure it to your head size. This is the same heat gun as the one here, but it's fixed on a stand so you can use both hands. It's a lot easier. You position this headpiece on the foam and you draw the inner line. Now we cut the shape out. So now this is made for a specific head size, my head size, and we can also add this piece for the same reasons as the one size fits all. So let's do this. So this is the result. Next up is this piece. We're going to glue both sides together and then every tip onto this circle. Up next, we're going to glue this circle on top and then this piece on top of the holes here, and we do that 7 times. So when you're finished with all these steps, you will see that sometimes there's a little opening here. So we'll make sure that everything is glued and that the openings are all gone. We're almost finished with this piece. Only two pieces remain. This circle on top and this around your hat. Okay. Now we're going to join these two pieces together. You can see a little seam here, so we're going to make sure that this is in the back. And position it so that both sides are equal. So now we're ready for the final part, which is the front part. These are the pieces you need. You can use whatever you like, words, drawings, glitter foam, just whatever you want to finish the front side. So now we're going to attach this front part to the hat. We're going to make sure that it's fixed here and also on the back side. When you're making hats, you will see some fingerprints sometimes. Well, this is not a problem because you can make them disappear. You can also see some shiny parts where you have used the hot air. So what we're going to do is use our heat gun and blow all over the hat so you have an even shine and all the fingerprints disappear. So that was it. The hat is finished and it's ready to wear. As you can see, you can make any color combination you like. There's also a wide variety of finishing materials to finish your hats. For example, the tubes, LED lights, glitter foam whatever you like, you can use it. We also have a video on how to use all these different finishing materials. So that's all there really is to it. Now it's up to you to try. Believe me, it's very easy. When you're watching on Facebook, be sure to follow us, like us, or leave a comment. When you're watching on YouTube, be sure to watch our other videos or subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, use the contact form on our website or feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.